Sinosure Official. It's the second day of Sinosure 2017 and we are here at the campus of D2. Almost all the events have started now. They are in the phase of their second round, or we can say semi-finals. Now the plan for today is we're gonna meet some of the event heads and get to know what they feel about Sinosure, the experience of the first day and many more things. So let's get started.
Hello friends, I am the event head of Enigma event. My name is Pankaj Kumar and I am leading this event. This event actually means contraption. Contraption, when you search on YouTube, you found number of videos on YouTube. Contraption is actually the conversion of energies from one step to another step. Here the if you see the participants, here the participants are building the steps by using waste material. We provide the participants 8 by 8 feet space in which they work for 4 hours and creates the steps. The points are given on according to the steps and energy conversion they use. If they use the innovative steps, then we will give extra points, which are reward points. So that the mark sheet is created by the judges and judges will announce the winner. Thank you so much for.
From Civil Department.
Hi, I am Rituparna from Computer Department.
This is basically a photography event which was initiated by a former student Srivallabh Khadilkar.
The purpose was to bring together all the young talented photographers and provide them a nice platform.
During this we came up with an idea of photo booth which not only made this event more alive but also made it more friendly.
That's all we need to say.
Hello guys, myself Vishal Tekare and I am the event head of MicroApp. This event is organized by the EXTC department and this event is mainly based upon the concepts of the 805 microcontroller and the Arduino. The motto of the event is to assimilatize the participants with the concept of this controller and the Arduino. You can see the many participants are doing very well and they are making their own projects. If you can see, many engineering students, they are not able to cope with the practical knowledge, but here in this event if they participate, they are going to make their own mini project or they can form their creativity and they can
Hi guys, I am Rahul Kasid
and I am Mahesh Pawar. We are the event heads of Structura event. This event is organized by Civil Department from last 3 years. This event is basically depends upon the simple physics and the mechanics. For this year, the event organized 2 rounds. First round has a model mechanism making. On the basis of simple physics, that's elasticity and the air pressure, the participants have to make a water bottle car, and the car which is made with fully mechanized and the distance traveled by the car having maximum who are selected for
I'm Aditya,
We are the event heads of Istador.
and it's an event organized by our civil department. The event consists of 3 rounds. Basically, first is the auction round, same as the Apple auction. In Apple auction, it consists of plays, and in our auction, it's lands. And as we all know that in real estate business, lands are auctioned, and so we get to play with the virtual money here. And the more you make the money, the more profit is calculated, and you get the more prizes for that. And basically, as it's a civil oriented game, you get the idea of basic planning, a township planning, and many more stuff, and you get to enjoy a lot.
Vaibhav Somnath Ghatkar, and I am from electrical department. We are organizing a event named Maths Maze. It has 2 words, maths and maze. Maths we already know, and the maze is a puzzles. And we are organizing this event because we just want to develop a mathematical logical skills in the
Good afternoon all. I am Pranesh Yadav from Final Year Petrochemicals. They have organized an event, mock recruitment drives, in which there are three rounds. First of all, aptitude test. The second was group discussion, and the third was HR interview. The HR was from Sudarshan Chemicals. The number of students were around 70 plus. So, thank you.
मेरा नाम चेतन बोलकर है और हमने यहाँ पे प्रोक्षम नाम का एक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है। उसमें 3 राउंड दिए गए हमने। तो मेनली इस इवेंट का मेन पर्पस है कि हम लोग हार्डवेयर कवर कर रहे हैं, यानी कि हार्डवेयर में जैसे फर्स्ट ईयर वालों को हार्डवेयर पता नहीं रहता, तभी हमने सेकंड राउंड असेंबली और डिसेंबली रखा है। फर्स्ट राउंड हमारा एफटी है, सेकंड राउंड डिसेंबली और असेंबली। उसमें हम पूरे पार्ट कवर करते हैं सीपीयू के। और उसके बाद हमारा थर्ड राउंड है, जो कि उसमें हमारा है डिबगिंग और सिंथेटिक और
That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. For more fun and exciting videos, keep watching Cynosure Unofficial. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe it, and also share it. You cannot follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. So please show all your love on YouTube itself. Thank you.